Canon has spent decades shaping the direction of digital imaging, and its transition into the mirrorless era has been driven by a constant balancing act between innovation and usability. With the EOS R system now firmly established, attention is shifting toward the next refinement in its lineup, the Canon EOS R8 Mark II. This model is not just a routine successor to the original R8. It represents Canon's attempt to respond to a rapidly evolving market where photographers and videographers increasingly expect one camera to handle everything without compromise. The original EOS R8 introduced full-frame performance in a relatively compact and accessible body, but it also exposed clear limitations that became more noticeable as user expectations grew. The lack of in-body stabilization, limited endurance for long shoots, and constrained video handling placed it slightly behind competing hybrid models. The Canon EOS R8 Mark II is expected to directly address these weaknesses, repositioning the camera as a more complete hybrid tool rather than a simplified entry point. At the core of the rumored upgrade is a new 30.3-megapixel full-frame sensor. While the resolution itself is not dramatically higher, the focus appears to be on improving overall image quality. This includes better dynamic range, improved highlight retention, and cleaner shadow performance. The goal is not just sharper images, but more flexible files that can handle demanding post-processing workflows. For photographers working in portrait, landscape, or documentary environments, this refinement could make a noticeable difference in real-world results. Autofocus is another major area of expected improvement. The Canon EOS R8 Mark II is likely to feature an enhanced version of dual-pixel CMOS AF2, supported by more advanced AI-based subject detection. This system is designed to recognize and track people, animals, and vehicles with greater consistency, even in unpredictable or fast-moving scenes. Improved tracking stability across the frame would make the camera more dependable for sports, wildlife, and event photography where timing is critical. One of the most important rumored additions is in-body image stabilization. The Canon EOS R8 Mark II is widely expected to include a 5-axis IBIS system, addressing one of the most significant gaps in the original model. This would allow for sharper handheld photography at slower shutter speeds and smoother handheld video recording without relying entirely on external stabilization. For hybrid shooters, this alone would represent a major practical upgrade. Performance improvements are also expected in continuous shooting speed. The Canon EOS R8 Mark II may deliver around 12 frames per second using the mechanical shutter and up to 20 frames per second electronically. Combined with improved autofocus tracking, this would allow the camera to reliably capture fast action, making it suitable for sports and wildlife environments where timing and precision are essential. Low light performance is another key focus. With an expanded ISO range and improved noise handling, the Canon EOS R8 Mark II is expected to perform more confidently in challenging lighting conditions. This would benefit wedding photographers, concert shooters, and street photographers who often work in uncontrolled or dim environments where lighting cannot be adjusted. Video capabilities represent one of the most significant areas of evolution. The Canon EOS R8 Mark II is expected to support uncropped 4K recording at 30 fps, along with oversampled 4K at 60 fps with a crop. Full HD recording at up to 120 fps would enable smooth slow-motion capture for creative storytelling. These features position the camera firmly in the hybrid category, appealing to creators who need both strong stills and capable video in one device. In addition to resolution and frame rate improvements, Canon is expected to include 10-bit 4:2:2 internal recording along with Canon Log 3 support. These tools significantly expand post-production flexibility, allowing for more detailed color grading and greater control over dynamic range. For filmmakers and content creators, this means footage that can be shaped more precisely in editing without requiring external recorders. Thermal management is another area where improvements are expected. The Canon EOS R8 Mark II is likely to feature a redesigned internal heat dissipation system that allows longer recording times in 4K without overheating interruptions. This is especially important for extended shooting scenarios such as interviews, events, or documentary work where continuous recording stability is essential. Battery life is also expected to improve with the adoption of the LPE6NH battery. This would provide longer shooting sessions compared to the original R8, addressing one of the most common criticisms of the earlier model. For professionals working in the field, improved battery endurance directly translates into fewer interruptions and more reliable performance throughout the day. Storage flexibility is another major upgrade. The Canon EOS R8 Mark II is rumored to include dual card slots, likely combining CF Express and SD-UHS-2 support. This addition not only improves workflow speed but also provides redundancy, which is critical for professional assignments where data loss is not acceptable. It also brings the camera closer to industry expectations for paid work. Build quality is expected to be refined as well. A magnesium alloy body with improved weather sealing would make the Canon EOS R8 Mark II more durable in demanding environments such as rain, dust, or cold conditions. This enhancement would broaden its usability for travel photographers and outdoor creators who require dependable gear regardless of conditions. The display system is also expected to evolve, with a fully articulating touchscreen designed for flexible shooting angles. This would be especially useful for vloggers, solo content creators, and photographers who frequently shoot from unconventional perspectives. Combined with improved interface responsiveness and customizable controls, the user experience would feel more modern and efficient. Connectivity improvements are also anticipated. USB-C streaming support would allow the camera to function as a high-quality webcam for live streaming and virtual communication. Enhanced wireless features would improve file transfer speeds and remote control functionality, making the camera more integrated into modern content workflows. In the broader context of the mirrorless market, the Canon EOS R8 Mark II reflects Canon's ongoing strategy of refining its lineup to meet modern hybrid demands. If the rumored specifications prove accurate, it could become a defining option in the mid-tier full-frame category, offering a practical balance between performance, usability, and creative flexibility for a wide range of users.